probably about the easiest thing I've ever seen to set up. So now what I do a lot of times when I'm doing these big logs. These logs are so big, you don't want to carry them around. You're just going to hurt your back. So what I do is just roll one over. You seen how that works right there? That's actually pretty easy. I sure beat using a hatchet. This is oak wood, and it's been here for a little while. It's more than dry enough to be using, but what we need to do is get it split up and get it stacked in a building so the outside of it can dry real well. I'll show you another way I do it. Like if my back starts hurting, what I do is I take a milk crate down there. I'm gonna show you how I do that. Now, one nice thing about using the milk crate is not only that you can sit down and split this wood, but you can also use your legs to help hold the wood into place. But you have to be real careful you don't get pinched anywhere. But I've been doing it for years, so it's actually pretty easy for me to do, and it doesn't hurt my back sitting on that milk crate. As you guys can see, I got the cavalry here. The boys came to help me. God bless me with two great little kids, two nice boys that'll come and help me with my firewood, and just good kids. I love them both.
What happened?
You gotta put that up further.
What the heck? Oh, I gotta get some air. Motor quit running, man.
Having a fuel issue.
I think the carburetor's plugged up. Well, of course, I got a big hole in the gas line over here. I'm gonna try to... I think I got gas line in the garage somewhere hanging. It was dripping a little bit, but it might be getting air in there. I'm not sure. So we're gonna change the gas line before we pull the carburetor. I pulled the bowl off the carburetor. It was full of garbage, but I want to get this pile split. I really don't care. I can always pull this off later if I could just get it running.
We was trying to get Justin to split it with an axe, but
it didn't work so well.
No.
I got too small of an axe.
Excuses.
I did split a couple.
What we're doing now is just draining all the fuel out of this, guys, so I can get...
Hard to split wood with a hatchet.
Yeah, I don't want to lose all my fuel because I don't have much. How much is left in that tank? Actually, in there?
Yeah, set that down.
Yeah.
There's not a lot.
I'm gonna run out here and see if I can grab a pair of the hose. I'll be back.
All right, we had to clean the carburetor, but we got it running again. Splitting some wood now.
Well, as you see behind me, we put a pretty good dent in that pile. We're not gonna get it all done. We'll pick another day. We'll finish up the rest of this, and we should have really close to enough to last us for the winter. Now, this ain't all that we've done. I've done a lot more wood besides this. It usually takes me about 6 to 8 cords per year to keep my house warm, and that's basically all that I use the heat with. So that was how you use the log splitter in the vertical position, and it works pretty good. And the milk crate really works out nice to be able to set on and not have to bend over the whole time you're doing your logs. It's either use a milk crate or get on your knees. Take your pick. Milk crate works for me. I'd like to tell everybody thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, a comment if you'd like. Don't forget, click the little bell down there. Get them alerts when I put another video up. Till next time.